Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-B2000D printer driver download and installation. So guys, open any browser in the Google search box to type like this, and after that it will come this result support.brother.com, this official website. So click on it. So Windows, Mac, Linux driver also there. So select the Windows and Windows 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about, you can see this video and you can install driver because of printer installations and driver installations process same. Then click to OK. After that, this is the first printer driver and this software, and this is only printer driver. Click scroll down, agree to download. So it will start downloading. You can say it is completed, and click on this icons where it is downloaded. It will open it. Then right click to open. Now this is extracting and create new folder. So this is your printer driver. Okay, so now this is its complete first step, your printer downloading complete. Now printer installations, so click to start. But guys, on your printer and connect to your desktop to laptop via your printer USB cable, and then click to setting. After that, click to Bluetooth and device, and then printer and scanner, and then click add device, and add new manually. Select last manual options, then next, click to have disk, click on browse, then go to the locations where it is created the folder in the download. Select this file .inf. guys, this file only inf file is accept. Then click to OK, then OK. Now find out your printer HL-B2. So this is your printer. Okay, then next, next. Now you can see your printer is installed. So before printing, you have to restart your printer and your desktop laptop. Okay, then third step, guys, if you want to share to network, so click on the printer property, then sharing, check this. If it is not unchecked, check this, then click to security, then click to add device, type EVE, and then check name, so it will come everyone. Okay, then click OK, and then select the everyone and give the access on three dot, then click to apply and then OK. Now your printer shared on the network. Thank you.